Moving forward and still on our first part here, we are approaching the end of the first part. We are the Senko B showing how it is used when trading, and besides the Senko B we'll have only the Chinko left. Like all the Ichimoku elements treated so far, the Senko B should have the most applicability in identifying current and future support resistance areas. The higher the time frame studied, the more important the support area is. Let me clear a bit the chart that we have in front of our eyes here, and we'll try to shift, let's say, the attention from this time frame. We had the 4-hour chart. Let's try to take a look at the, I don't know, the 1-hour chart here, as this is the 1-hour chart. And as you can see, price coming to the upside here, and then just like that, the Senko B here has been offering a resistance to the upside, and now price is breaking in the form of a pennant. This looks like a pennant here, by the way, which is a continuation pattern, and this should be taken into consideration. Let me try to make this one a bit different so that we are not being confused by it. Like this, a pennant, and normally this one should continue to the upside. One interesting situation most of the traders fail to address is the Chinko line Senko B interpretation. So basically the interpretation between the two. Let me try to make this one bigger as well. The interpretation between the green line, the Chinko, and the Senko B. Given the fact that the Chinko it is plotted 26 periods ahead, sorry, not ahead, but before the actual price levels, by the time it is reaching the Senko B, usually price is bouncing if the previous move is pointing to the downside, to the upside, sorry, or is strongly rejected if the previous move is pointing to the upside. Like it was here the case, as you can see, 26 periods, price coming from the downside here, price coming from the downside, Chinko almost reaching here the Senko A, and it has been strongly rejected in the first place. So it took another 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to consolidate after deciding to break to the upside here. Now the examples may continue. Let me show you another example. Take a look here. So price actually is moving from the downside here, going to the upside, going 134.08. Chinko fails to cross above the cloud, so the Senko B here offers a nice resistance area. So price rejected to the downside, and finally resuming the downside trend. This is what most of the traders will fail to do when looking at the Ichimoku elements and trading with them. They don't know what to do with the Chinko. Normally it is considered to be useless, but this is just the first interpretation of it, because you'll see treated in the relation with the base or the top of the cloud. Well, the Senko B is quite important. For example, if price is bullish, meaning the cloud is green but price in an area of consolidation, then by the time Chinko reaches the base of the cloud, in this case the Senko B, a possible bounce should be expected. So you are keeping your eyes on the Chinko here. Let's try to find a bullish environment here. So bullish environment, by the time Chinko comes here and reaches the base of the cloud, 26, you are trying to find then the 26 periods to see where price is. So this is the 26 period. So you are looking for a bounce in price, and there you go, 2 candles later you are looking for a bounce. So the bounce comes something like from that candle 132.96, it goes all the way to the upside 133.14. So a nice 20 something pips in 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and given the fact that this is a 1 hour chart, short-term expiry dates for buying calls for binary options should be applied. On the other hand, the very opposite is valid as well. If price is bearish, meaning the cloud is red but price is in an area of consolidation, then by the time Chinko reaches the top of the cloud, a possible rejection should be expected. Again, the higher the time frame, the stronger the support or the resistance area. Take a look here. Price is coming from the downside, cloud red, Chinko into the cloud. From here it is being rejected 26 period ahead. See, rejected for something like 132.68 till 32.44, 20 something pips, and in a matter of 5 hours. So that would be trading material as well. Moving on now with the Chinko, looking forward to see what it is and how it is being